Watch All Speed Customs in Muskegon Heights, Michigan, build what they call the OG of wild pro touring style builds. A 1969 Chevrolet Camaro packing 1,500 horsepower and enough custom fabrication to make your head spin. This isn't just a Restomod. This is a purpose-built half-mile weapon disguised as a classic muscle car. It's been clocked chasing 200 miles per hour at standing half-mile events, and it still has air conditioning that blows cold. The story behind this build is as good as the car itself. Professional skateboarder Josh Kalis grew up as a die-hard European car fan. High-speed Autobahn cruisers were his thing. But when he sat down with Brian Mote and the crew at All Speed Customs, and they started talking cars, it didn't take long to convince him that an American muscle car could hold its own against anything coming out of Germany. The result is the legendary Josh Kalis DC Shoes 69 Camaro. The body was completely reworked by hand. The front fenders were flared 1.5 inches, the rockers were stretched down, and the rear quarters were extended a full inch to clear massive rubber. A custom chin spoiler, a fabricated rear diffuser with center exit exhaust, and a rear spoiler were all hand-built in metal, not fiberglass. The bumpers were tucked tight into the body, and the back of the car was lengthened 4 inches to accommodate a relocated fuel cell in the trunk. Every body line was sharpened, every panel gap was dialed in. The car was then laid down in a dark metallic finish with DC Shoes graphics across the hood. Under the hood sits a 408 cubic inch LS block built by Steve Morris engines, force-fed by twin Garrett GTX3584RS turbochargers. The engine runs a fast 2.0 engine management system with custom stainless steel headers feeding massive V-band turbine housings. On the dyno, this combination put down 1,300 horsepower to the wheels, with over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. The exhaust is 3.5-inch stainless from the turbos all the way back with no mufflers. Because when you've got twin turbos, the turbos are the mufflers. The transmission is a T56 Magnum Tranzilla built by Rockland Standard Gear, rated to handle north of 2,000 horsepower. Out back, a narrowed nodular 9-inch rear end with a Detroit Speed Quadralink 4-link suspension keeps the power planted. Up front, a full Speedtech subframe with coilovers and rack and pinion power steering replaces the factory setup entirely. The entire chassis is tied together with a cage that integrates into custom frame stiffening bars running the full length of the car. Stopping this thing falls to Wilwood 6-piston calipers with 14-inch cross-drilled and slotted rotors, front and rear, manual brakes with no power assist. When you need to scrub speed from over 150 miles per hour, there is no room for soft pedal feel. This car was built to go fast and stop hard. Inside, the interior is full carbon fiber, Sparco racing seats with custom carbon backs fabricated in-house, Sparco 4-point harnesses, and a Sparco steering wheel. The dash features a Holley digital display inset into a custom carbon panel, with carbon door panels, a carbon center console, and custom kick panels, all built at All Speed Customs. Even with the race focus, the car still has air conditioning, power windows, and a full sound system with JL Audio subwoofers and amplifiers. Rolling on HRE 3-piece wheels, 19 by 13 in the rear and 18 by 9.5 up front, wrapped in 345 and 255 Nitto rubber, this car fills its fenders like it means business. Dressed in dark metallic paint with number 114 on the windshield, it looks like it could eat supercars for breakfast, and it absolutely can. Built by All Speed Customs, Muskegon Heights, Michigan.